morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm giving you guys slay day, so you know it's the weekend. Happy Saturday. We are out and about. Your girl about to go and get some shopping done. We're actually heading in town to get some shopping done. So we're actually on the promenade waiting on the bus. It is a very cloudy day out today, as you guys can see behind me. I don't think there's much people out basically, so we're just here waiting on our bus to get going. Tyler is here, baby's here. So much people out here just shopping away, but shopping is going good so far. So I'm actually going in Zara right now. H&M was good, so going in Zara to see if we get anything. You guys, in here is so full, it's not even funny how full is in here. So I'm just spinning my roll and taking my leave. Too much people. We stopped for ice cream, and of course, because Tyler don't like the cone from the ice cream, we had to buy him just the cone alone. So there he's just having his cone. The guy actually gave it to him for free, so he's enjoying his cone. You're having fun with your cone? He's just killing it. We're about to go on the street that says one of the most famous streets in Nice that we've never been on before. It's actually looking full of people, but I hear it's there's a flower market somewhere around here. But I also think why it had looked so full is because there's a wedding going on right now, because I think the city hall is just right here, and in France you have to go to the city hall first, and if you decide to go to the church, then you go to the church. But yeah, we're just passing the city hall, which is this building just up here behind me. So guys, this is the flower market we're in right now. Heaven. Wow. Wow, baby. What a beauty. What a beauty. I know, look how big and beautiful they are. It was more expensive in Nevers, no?
20 euros.
Recording. You guys, look at this waterfall I'm zooming on right here. It's actually on a hill. It's so pretty, right up there. Wow. As we found out that there was a Statue of Liberty in Nice, so we came to see it. And this is it. It's a little one. As you guys know, the one in New York is made by somebody in France, right, babe? Again? The one in New York is made by somebody in France, right? Yeah. So this is another Statue of Liberty in France. That was a gift. But they're actually doing some work where it is, so we can't go too close to it or touch it, because it's a little bit it's barred. So this is our Statue of Liberty. So we can't say we've never visited the Statue of Liberty. There it is.
So
I'm trying to catch you.
that's the third statue that I see.
That's the third statue you see.
Yeah, so the one in
New York.
New York, the one in Paris, and
Which
the,
is
and the one in,
you mean Eiffel Tower?
no, Liberty statue.
There's a Liberty in Paris?
Yeah,
I
it's
didn't know
about
that.
this size, or a little bit taller, but only the statue, not counting the bottom.
Okay.
You only can well, you see it when you come in the box. You see the box that we took?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can see it in
So
the.
how you didn't show me?
I think I show you, but I think you
Probably I
don't
remember.
remember.
So we
maybe
can't
it
say we've
depends.
never visited the Statue of Liberty. It's so tiny. It's
They
just
made the
right
one
here.
in Vegas. I know there's one in Vegas.
The fake one in Vegas?
They're all fake. I mean,
Well, yeah, but
the whole.
you guys, I'm actually vlogging from my phone because my camera just died and I realized I didn't pick up my bag with my spare battery. So yeah, forgive me if the quality is different from the vlog camera. But yeah, that statue is right there.
That's what you
And
want
zoom
to do.
it. Yeah, I want to do parasailing like that one day. For sure. Even though I can't swim and I'm scared. But one day. I'll be brave. Hopefully next year.
They don't look too high, so. it
Nah.
looks
Yeah, and you're strapped in.
good. Yeah, and
So I
once
don't
you know
think I have
down
to
is
worry
also some
about
water,
it.
you don't go with the same. Damn, look at this.
There's a shape coming in. Oh my god!
Pour une fois qu'on peut se défouler, hein.
It won't hurt?
Okay.
It won't hurt?
Il y en a un qui a expliqué comment on parle sans le Après, j'ai un mouchoir, je donne le mouchoir. Ah, moi aussi, j'en ai un. I give you a.
Okay,
Ça fait mal,
okay.
le plastique.
Ah,
Faut bien viser, hein. Allez, vois un peu. D'accord, allez, 1, 2, 3.
Hi faves, so what you guys just saw was us in town exploring the flowers market and a new side of town that we've never been, and then we ended up going to the Statue of Liberty, but my camera battery died and then I realized that I didn't have my spears with me, so I had to use my phone to catch some clips of the Statue of Liberty, of the beach, and of a bride to be that she was having so much fun. And what you guys saw was she is celebrating. It's like her bridal what they call it, celebrate the last time of being single. So she was having people in the street throwing yogurt in her face, which I thought was hilarious, and I really wanted to do it, even though I felt for her, but it looked so much fun. So she was calling me for a few times and I refused to go, and it was like, go, and then I finally found the courage to go. So I went. So that's what you guys saw. So that was pretty cool. And then we just basically came back home and your girl is in the kitchen because it's dinner time. I already feed Tyler because I couldn't figure out what I want to eat, but right now I am cooking and I'm gonna show you guys something and see if you are not Jamaican, you may not get this right. So I'm gonna show you guys a batter Yes, love. And then you guys going to guess what exactly am I making for dinner. Dun, 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 dun. That's the butter. Let's see who can guess right what I'm making. Yes, Tyler. No, no, no. Out of the kitchen, my love. No, 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 no. Take your card. Tyler, don't test me. Good job, my love. Good job. And if you guess saltfish fritters, you're right. I don't think I've ever make saltfish fritters for babe, and I've really wanting to make these for him. And saltfish fritters is my absolute favorite thing in the entire world. I actually apologized to babe before I even start making these, because I said to him that babe, I am sorry, but saltfish fritters is no saltfish fritters without pepper. So of course these have pepper. I don't have any scallion, so what I have in them is pepper, hot pepper, that is, and then I have assorted sweet peppers, and I have onions, and I have thyme, and I have a little dash of what's it called, baking powder, and some other things. But if you guys want to see exactly how I make this, then I'll comment down below and let me know, and I can do this for you on my food channel. And if you're not subscribed to my food channel, then you should. The link is down below in the description box. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and I'm not even going to stay with you guys too long because it's hot and I want to just eat them right now. So we're just gonna go in on these bad boys real quick. Jam, you guys, the shrinkage in my hair is no joke. Look at this. Jesus of mercy.
You know, you put something in your hair, you can use it as a weapon and fall to the other person.
How?
Like you put some food here and you do that, and then it's going to the neighbor.
You forever. Listen, don't touch my hair. Don't say, baby. Hi guys, we're back. Tyler's off the bed. To bed. He's sleeping. It's past his bedtime, even though I just hear him call me mama, mama, like 2 minutes ago. He always does that. He'll just be in his room chilling, and then like 45 minutes later you hear somebody say mama. Tyler forever be calling mama. Yeah, last night about 2 a.m. he woke up crying. I had to go pick him up, and then I couldn't go back to sleep. I was up watching the national championship back at home, and I didn't go to bed until almost 6 a.m. this morning, but I'm glad I did, because my girls show up and they show out and they represent, and they did really well. So I'm proud of my babies for competing in the national championship. So yeah, that was that, and town was very interesting today. I saw something that I've never seen before, which was the bride and the yogurts throwing in her face. That was pretty cool to see. It was a fun experience for me. Babe was like, go, you want to do it, go. And I was hesitant to do it because I felt like I was gonna hurt her, but then she was calling me. I said, all right, I'm gonna go
like
do
cream.
it.
It's like when you put cream on
Yeah,
the face of the...
it was crazy. It was like pie face basically.
Right, except that
It's yogurt they use.
Doesn't cost them.
It was kiddie yogurt.
It
was a cheap one that they were using.
Yeah,
but
so
it was
they have
fun.
a lot of fun, and they can
Right.
give a lot of yogurt to, because yogurt in France is very cheap, so they
Very
can
cheap.
give yogurt to a lot of person.
Right,
So
right.
the amount of yogurt that she got on her face today.
Oh my god, I can just imagine. It was really fun to see. So yeah, we had fun out today. I'm sorry that my battery died, but I still catch a full footage on my phone. We're just gonna stop chit chat basically and end the vlog. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today is hand me glass scratch me. the simple saying that you're gonna get money. Don't ask me how they know that, but once you says your hand middle scratching you, say my hand middle scratch me. They're not gonna say my hand middle is scratching me. My hand middle scratch me. If you hear Jamaican say that, the simple means they're gonna tell you that you're going to get money.
Me hand middle catch me.
Yes. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. Me hand me gla catch me. The simple saying that you're going to get money is just a myth.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, you tell me if your hand me gla catch you and you get money. Well, if it works for you, it works for you. But it doesn't work for me because my hand me haven't scratched me in a long time. Alright, babe. Come through with your French expression.
The French expression for today will be les doigts dans le nez. Les doigts dans le nez. You know what is doigt? Honey, what is doigt?
Your hand. Your fingers.
Right. Le nez?
Your nose.
Right. So, les doigts dans le nez. What means?
Your finger in your nose.
Right. So that's the French expression, les doigts dans le nez. So this is an expression to mean you have another meaning. Okay. What kind of meaning could it have?
I don't know.
Les doigts dans le nez. Les doigts dans le nez mean like you're doing some things easy, like you say. I beat them, les doigts dans le
nez. Was easy.
Yeah, that was too easy. Like you do it, and it's like if you can beat them and keep your fingers in your nose sometimes. So that was easy. We won les doigts dans le nez.
Okay, cool. Okay.
So you pass your exam, les doigts dans le nez, like.
But I love this one.
After 30 minutes, you leave the exam room and you got the A. It was les doigts dans le nez.
Les doigts dans le nez.
Right.
Va, forget it.
Say it again.
Les doigts dans le nez.
Right.
Alright.
Les doigts dans le nez.
Les doigts dans le nez. Alright. So there you guys have it. My finger in my nose.
Finger in the nose.
Finger in the nose.
You say it in English, no? Finger in the nose.
It's not an expression.
Okay.
Finger in the nose, no.
Okay, I believe it's French, so it's French translated in English. You say finger in the nose.
No, I don't.
Like
never
you got
heard
it?
that one.
Yeah. Finger in the nose. Easy.
No, we would say easy breezy.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. Make sure you guys get them and you guys enjoyed today's adventure and today's vlog and today a day in our life as per usual. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and catch up and keep up with us, you guys. We love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.